So today, everybody, we're here in the Conway Glass Studios for ArtyRV, and we are drilling holes in the glass fish that we've made for our fish sculpture project. So now we're working on a blue, and this is the third one, and I want you to see, I'm using a spearhead drill bit. I'll put that so that you can see that on my finger. It's a 3/16 diameter. And when you're using these spear bits, we're going to show you how to use them right now. So we're going to start our hole just by scratching the surface of the glass. And we don't push down. Okay, so you can, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little tiny hole there. And my drill bit just falls right in it, just like that. So now we're going to take a little bit of glass cleaner. So this takes about 3 minutes. And while you're using a spearhead bit, you rotate the drill clockwise in a circular motion. And it helps drill the hole. And then once you get it started, now you probably heard the drill change tempo. Listen. That, when it changes like that, you know it's going through, and you need to just slow down, take your time. Now let's take a look at this hole. Nice, clean, it didn't get hot. You know, your worst enemy is heat when you're drilling holes. So here we go.